last class, we studied the four layers of the anther. First one is epidermis, second one is endothelium, third one is middle layers, fourth one is tapetum. Today we start with functions of the tapetum. The first function of the tapetum is providing nutrition to the developing pollen grains. Provide nutrition to developing pollen grains. The second function is, as we know, the pollen tetrad held together by a chemical called cellulose. The tapetum secretes or produce an enzyme called callase. The enzyme callase digest the cellulose and separates the pollen tetrad. The third function of the tapetum is the tapetal cells are involved in formation of outer wall of pollen grains. And the outer wall of the pollen grain is called as exine. Now, if you look at a pollen grain, it is covered by two layers. One is exine and the other one is intine. So the outer wall of the pollen grain, which is exine, is formed by tapetal cells. Now let's see how it is formed. Now, if you look at a tapetal cell, this is the tapetum. These are the tapetal cells. These are the tapetal cells. Inside the tapetal cell, microscopic microsporangium is present, that is sporogenous tissue. So this is sporogenous tissue. And we all know sporogenous tissue later develops into pollen grain. If you look at this tapetal cell, I am showing you the one cell. So this is the tapetal cells. And here the microsporangium. So this part I am showing you here. This part. If you look at the tapetal cell, in the cytoplasm of the tapetal cells, so this is the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm of the tapetal cells, pro-Ubish bodies are present. Pro-Ubish bodies are present. These pro-Ubish bodies then come out of the tapetal cells and occupy the region present between sporogenous tissue and the tapetal cells. So they occupy the place here. So tapetal cells से pro-Ubish body बाहर आएंगे और sporogenous tissue और tapetal cell के बीच में यानी यहाँ पर occupy हो जाएंगे. Then the tapetal cells over these pro-Ubish bodies deposits sporopollenin. इनके ऊपर tapetal cell किसका कवरिंग कर देंगे? Sporopollenin का कवरिंग कर देंगे. Now, once they are covered by sporopollenin, now pro-Ubish bodies, they are converted into Ubish bodies. Ubish bodies में convert हो जाएंगे. Now these pro-Ubish bodies enters into the sporogenous tissue. यानी अभी यहां से अंदर आएंगे. And we all know inside the microsporangium, pollinia, pollen sacs, what is taking place? Development of the pollen grain is taking place. So inside the sporogenous tissue, pollen grain development is taking place where these Ubish bodies, they form exine, that is outer covering of the pollen grain, outer wall of the pollen grain. The third function of the tapetum is tapetum forms a oily coating over the pollen grains. A oily coating over the pollen grains. This oily coating is called as pollen kit. It is called as pollen kit. Now what is pollen kit? Pollen kit is a sticky, shiny yellow covering present over the pollen grains. Now, this pollen kit is shiny, yellow in color. Shiny yellow in color. Now, as it is shiny yellow in color, it attracts the pollinators, for pollination. Second, you can ask me, sir, why it is yellow in color? The reason it is yellow in color because it consists carotenoids. Now, as it consists carotenoids, this pollen kit consists carotenoids. As it consists carotenoids, it protects the pollen grain, from UV radiation. Of sun. Because of this property, protecting pollen grain from UV radiation of the sun, this pollen kit is used in preparation of sunscreen lotions. The next function of the tapetum is tapetum deposits certain proteins on exam. Certain proteins are on exam. Now, out of these proteins, some proteins cause allergic reaction. Like bronchitis asthma, we see some examples of plant which causes allergy. Now, one is Chenopodium, Amaranthus, Parthenium, and Sorghum. This Parthenium, most commonly called as Congress grass, or also known as carrot grass. So these are some of the plant which causes allergic reactions. Now, most importantly, the main plant which causes more allergic reaction is this Parthenium. Most causes more allergy. Now, the allergy caused by the pollen grain. The allergy caused by the pollen grain together called as hay fever. Second, some proteins, they are involved in recognition of compatible stigma. We finished with the functions of the tapetum. I'll revise it one more time. The first function of the tapetum is providing nutrition to developing pollen grains. This is the first function. The second function, tapetum secretes an enzyme called callase which degrade callose. The third function, tapetal cells are involved in the formation of outer wall of the pollen grain, that is exine. The fourth function, the tapetal cells secretes an oily coating over the pollen grain which is called as pollen kit. Pollen kit attracts the insect as well as protects the pollen grain from UV radiation of the sun. Then tapetal cells deposit some proteins on the pollen grain. Some proteins present on the pollen grain, they cause allergic reactions. For example of plant which causes allergic reaction are caps. Some proteins are involved in recognition of compatible stigma, right type of stigma. Now, while studying these functions, we came across a word called sporopollenin. Now, this sporopollenin is a fatty substance. Formed by oxidative polymerization of carotenoids. Sporopollenin is most resistant organic substance known till now. So, most resistant organic substance. Why it is most resistant organic substance? Because it can withstand or tolerate high temperature, strong acids, alkali, etc. Till now, no enzyme known which degrade or digest sporopollenin. So there is no enzyme which can break sporopollenin. आज तक कोई ऐसा एंजाइम है ही नहीं जो स्पोरोपोलिन को तोड़ सके, डाइजेस्ट कर सके ना. इसको और एक वर्ड से बोल सकते हैं, sporopollenin is resistant to biological degradation. Resistant to biological degradation. And because of this sporopollenin, which is most resistant organic substance known till now, आज तक इतना कोई भी ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस इतना रेजिस्टेंट है ही नहीं. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस sporopollenin. Because of these properties, pollen grains can be preserved as fossils. Because of sporopollenin, pollen grains can be preserved as fossils. आप पोलन ग्रेन्स को सालों तक स्टोर कर रख सकते हैं एज अ फॉसिल. क्यों? क्योंकि उसमें कौन है? स्पोरोपोलिन है. एंड स्पोरोपोलिन इज मोस्ट रेजिस्टेंट ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस, जिसे कोई एंजाइम तोड़ नहीं सकता. ये हाई टेम्परेचर को सह सकता है, एसिड को सह सकता है, अल्कली को सह सकता है. Now, types of tapetum. There are two types of tapetum. One is called as amoeboid tapetum, and the second one is called as glandular tapetum. Now in amoeboid tapetum, what happens? I'll show you with the help of a diagram. Now for example, say this is the tapetum layer, and this one inside, this is the sporogenous tissue where pollen grains are developing. Now in case of amoeboid tapetum, remember this is the tapetum. These tapetum cells are rich in reserve food. We all know it because we already studied. They are rich in reserve food. Now, in case of amoeboid tapetum, the wall of the tapetum breaks. The wall of the tapetum breaks. In case of amoeboid tapetum, the wall of amoeboid tapetum breaks, and the cytoplasm of the tapetum comes out and moves into the sporogenous tissue. This is sporogenous tissue where pollen grains are developing. In case of amoeboid tapetum, the wall of the amoeboid tapetum breaks and the protoplast, cytoplasm, comes out of the tapetal cells and enters in the sporogenous tissue and provide nutrition. And the protoplast moves inside the sporogenous tissue and provide nutrition to developing pollen grains. But this protoplast moves like an amoeba. How amoeba moves? Like that, it moves. That's why the tapetum is called as amoeboid tapetum. Remember, who is moving like amoeba? The protoplast, cytoplasm of the amoeboid tapetum. But in case of glandular tapetum, the cell wall will not break. the cell wall will not break. And secrete its content into the sporogenous tissue. तो यहां सेल वॉल टूट नहीं रहा है, उसके पास जो भी है उसको वो सिक्रेट करेगा, जैसे ग्लैंड करता है. नॉर्मली ग्लैंड सिक्रेट्स हॉर्मोन्स, एंडोक्राइन, लास्ट ईयर हमने पढ़ा है. तो यहां ये जो टपेटल सेल्स है, इट इज सिक्रेटिंग, मतलब इट इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ ग्लैंड. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्लैंडुलर टपेटम.